Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. For those of you who don't know, in this channel you will find everything related to macrame, from DIY pattern tutorials to tips and tricks videos. You should be able to find a lot of valuable macrame content right here. If you guys do find the content valuable, then please click the subscribe button for more videos. And if you guys do enjoy today's tutorial, then make sure you click that thumbs up button. So in today's tutorial, we'll be going over a simple plant hanger that you can make in under 30 minutes using only 2 knots. And these 2 knots are the square knot and the gathering knot. The great thing about this pattern is that it is great for also using up your scraps. So I don't know about you guys, but I have a large bag of scraps laying around and I have a hard time sometimes finding other projects that I can incorporate them in. So if you guys do also have some scraps laying around, you'll need some longer scraps of about 60 centimeters long. Then you can use them to make this plant hanger. This pattern is great if you're looking to make a quick but unique plant hanger for your own home or to give as a gift. So I know this pattern only goes over 2 knots, but if you guys are looking to learn more unique and different knots, then you can refer to my video up here for my 50 knots and sentence tutorial, or you can check out Bochiknot.com to download your own copy of the 50 knots and sentence ebook. Let me know what your thoughts are on today's pattern and tutorial in the comment section below. And with that, let's begin.
So it's fairly easy to get started with this plant hanger. All you need is a 2-inch diameter ring. It could be wooden or metal. Either or should work. To begin, take the 6 strands of 200 centimeter long cords and weave it through the ring. Make sure that the ends on both sides are even. Then, taking a strand of cord of about 55 centimeters long, we're going to use that cord as a working cord to make a gathering knot just under the ring. Gathering the cords, we just weave through the ring in the center of the knot. To make the gathering knot, you'll need to make a loop with one end and then take the other end and wrap it around the filler cords. If you are unsure of how to make this knot and you want some practice on it first, you can check out my 50 knots and sentence tutorial. It will go through this knot along with 49 other knots in a slower step-by-step tutorial. Once you are near the end of the cord, weave it through the loop set up by the other end of the working cord and pull on the top end to tighten the knot. Cut off the excess cord ends from the knot. Now separate the strands of cord in groups of 4. Take the first group of 4 strands of cord and make a square knot, using the far left and far right cords as working cords. Once you are done the square knot on the first set of 4 cords, repeat on the other 2 groups of 4 cords. Once all 3 square knots are made, we are going to work with the first group of 4 cords again. Right below the first square knot, make another 3 square knots. This time we're going to take a 60 centimeter strand of cord as the working cord to make these square knots. Take the strand of cord and make a square knot with the 4 cords as the filler cords. Now make a second square knot, but this time make it a few centimeters below the last square knot you had just. Once the square knot has been made, slide the square knot up right underneath the first square knot. Repeat with one more square knot a few centimeters below the last square knot made, and then slide the square knot to meet the last square knot. Repeat this butterfly pattern on the remaining 2 groups. Once all butterfly patterns are made, we're going to take the ends and make an overhand knot. Then cut off any excess cords from the ends. Repeat this on all remaining sides. In between 2 of the butterfly patterns, taking 2 cords from both patterns, make a square knot about 11 centimeters down. Repeat on the remaining 2 sides. Underneath the square knot that we just made, make another square knot about 11 centimeters downward. Then repeat on the remaining 2 sides. Underneath the last square knot you had just made, add another butterfly pattern with another strand of 60 centimeter cord. Once this is done, repeat on the remaining 2 sides. In between 2 butterfly patterns, make another square knot about 8 centimeters down. Repeat on the remaining 2 sides. Then about 10 to 11 centimeters down from the last square knots made, make one last gathering knot with the 55 centimeter strand of cord. Once you're done, you can try fitting your pot inside the plant hanger just to make sure it fits and it is nice and snug. If not, you can tighten the cords or loosen the cords as necessary. The last step is to cut off the excess cords at the end, and you have now completed the Everly plant hanger. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.